Down by the river, I was drawn by your grace into tempest of oblivion, into the lover's place. I was stuck in a puddle full of tears and unwise, stuck doing snow and oh, that we've paid unlike honey, no. Hey, when we walked down alone, I feel like we can throw away the forces of a past, and I know too, it's been the hardest days for you. Let's throw them out the window, that's what those lovers do. I was drawn by your grace into depths of oblivion, into the lover's place. I was stuck in a puddle full of tears and unwise, stuck doing snow and oh, that we've paid unlike honey and no. Hey, when we walked down alone, I feel like we can throw away the forces of a past, and I know too, it's been the hardest days for you. Let's throw them out the window, that's what those lovers do.
Oh, we hit that rock. Alright, let it roll. Let it roll.
Down by the river, I was drawn by your grace into depths of oblivion, into the lover's place. I was stuck in a puddle full of tears and unwise, stuck doing snow and oh, that we've paid unlike honey and no. Hey, when we walked down alone, I feel like we can throw away the forces of a past, and I know too, it's been the hardest days for you. Let's throw them out the window, that's what those lovers do.
Roger that.
Damn me crystal eye, and you've got the faith that I could bring paradise.
I'll forgive and forget before I'm paralyzed. Do I have to keep up the pace to keep you satisfied? Things have gotten closer to the sun, and I've done things in small doses. So don't think that I'm pushing you away when you're the one that I've kept closest. No
closer to the sun. And I've done things 6 months roses. So don't think that I'm pushing you away when you're the one that I've get closest. Go slow. Go slow. Whoa. Go slow. Go slow. Whoa. Go slow.
Just, yeah, there you go. I got it.